I guess flywheel, and then
should we clean the surface or no?
oh, you know what I meant to get at Harbor Freight? Yeah. Fucking rags.
This is it just cleans.
Yeah, it's for electrical components, but it'll work for this. Kind of gets grime off.
Oh, there we go. That's nice. Get all that black shit off.
It smells like a cleaner too. It smells good.
I like that.
There's another one of these little. Just make sure you spin this back where it's supposed to be.
Oh, did you put the shim back on it?
No, I didn't do that. That's why I was.
Oh, that's on there?
The holes are not.
Why do you bring people over to help you with funny part and just make them work in a truck?
That's not the point here.
Nah, just listen.
Yeah, it's like 1, 2, 3, 4 lines up, but the bottom 2 don't. See, now the holes are lined up now. But when you put this on, it don't line up.
Was that on all the time?
Yeah, this was there.
Like when we took off that plate, that was there?
Yeah. I'm just fucking so confused.
Because there's...
Wait a minute.
There's
the holes
3
are
bolts.
different. Look, the holes are different. Look.
Yeah.
They're not the same distance from each other.
And it could be that it's up, like flipped upside down. I don't know. Like inside out. You feel me?
There you go.
Hey, there it is. Good job, buddy.
Well, they're back line.
Okay.
In case you get confused.
Thanks, buddy. There's one on the front, one on the back. So this is probably, yeah, it was there.
Yeah, you can see the marks, the little circle marks. Like that. Kind of whoop, whoop, whoop. Oh yeah. But I don't know, like for your, cause you're going manual now. So I don't know. Does a manual car call for that piece on the outer portion? Cause you gotta think about it. You about to put a clutch on. So what if that messes up the equilibrium of that clutch? Or I don't know. If I'm saying shit right, but.
I wonder if these shims are just for the bolt length. Because it's not going to push out anything.
On what used to be an automatic vehicle.
Not no more. That's crazy. Oh no, I broke it. Fuck.
How?
It's a long story.
Do you know the garage people that are next to you, like whose garages these are?
No, sir.
I was just wondering because didn't know. Finally, one of your neighbors fucking wanted to wave at me. Son of a bitch. God damn, what that water cold as another fucker.
That's a what?
Motherfucker. This kind of didn't come off the tongue right because it was froze. I ain't never get to look through your toolbox. I told my girlfriend.
Go ahead, buddy.
Yeah, buddy, be nice. Got the manual up in there, like shit. Are we gonna have to move over that little coolant reservoir thing to this one?
Nope. You completely delete the heat exchanger on that.
Well, shit. What's the torque spec on this?
14 3/4 foot-pound.
Oh, we going foot-pound now. Them son of a bitch is gonna be on that motherfucker, man. See how the dick piece is coming off on it?
The what?
The dick piece. I like to call those the dick pieces. When they're going through the hole more now, she's getting penetrated.
Oh my god.
How y'all doing? Just let us know now if you want a clutch. Oil changes 2 seconds or less. Guaranteed. Alright, well, just let me get set up real quick.
Okay.
Alright, whenever you're ready.
I ain't ready yet.
Oh shit.
I was just telling you to get prepared. Oh god.
Well, I'm in the vicinity.
coolant and the transmission oil that came out.
So we gotta put more transmission fluid. Do you have any?
No, I was gonna wait to buy that.
You have to special order that shit, or do they have it all the time?
They have it at AutoZone.
Oh my God, yes.
Oh!
Hey, my clutch doesn't wiggle anymore.
Let me see.
Yeah, because the pressure plate's on it now.
That's good.
Yeah, they don't budge. I should be able to just slide this motherfucker out.
Just straight, everything looks good.
Yeah, that's good.
Well, you're done. All right, that's good. Just put the car down and go ahead and start over.
Yeah. Just start it up.
Should do just fine.
Oh, there it is. Technique.
We'll just put on the new throwout bearing and then call it good. Holy shit. Transmission's in. You gotta put the bolts in, tighten everything up, put the starter in, and we'll be good. Good job, Chris. Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Black finest.
That was so fucking stupid.
Put it in a mouth. And they don't take it out. What the hell is this? Is this a Chrysler 300 maybe again? He need to stay his ass at the crib.
He really does go back and forth, doesn't he?
Oh my God. God damn.
Why you gotta floor it?
Hit that bit, my boy, hit that bit. There it is. Don't be scared.
Big ass axle.
God almighty. That's some bitch longer than a motherfucker. What up, pretty boy? Hell yeah, you know what he about to go do. Yeah, that's that good shit right there. That's that long way, long way. This, the box say 100% new. 100% nuevo. I would hope it's fucking new. Fuck buying used shit around this motherfucker. It's almost time for brake pads, nigga.
What? Those are brand new brakes.
I'm fucking with you. It's a joke. What you looking for? A knife? Now you ain't got no cutters.
Oh, I got it right there.
Ah, that's what I'm talking about. No cutters right there, nigga. Shit.
Snap-on cutters.
Everybody got them cutters. I got them. Shit. I got leads and shit falling out that motherfucker. Snap them hole. That nuevo right there. So you cutting your nails over there, nigga. What you doing? Look.
Huh?
What the fuck? Bolted up my shoe. I want to do 370Z axles on my Z. They should. They're supposedly a bolt up.
I bet they are. So it's expensive ass bolt up. Oh shit!